Today's teacher in the classroom is Dr. Thomas Levy. As you know, he's a medical doctor. He also has a law degree. And today we talked about, since he's a cardiologist, he's a board certified cardiologist, we're seeing an increase in heart conditions. He talked about how toxicity is getting to the heart and is causing these. And there are different reasons why. Needless to say, that video will be on BitChute and Odyssey. So if you want to check it out, the link will be below and you can click on it so that it'll take you directly there, because I assure you it will be removed and I will be given a check. So we're volunteering it. And so we'll have the, you'll be watching this instead of the entire class. So if you want to watch it, you click the link below. There is so much information of the things that we're not being told when it comes to toxins in the body. Something as simple as maybe mercury can, he was talking about some of the biopsies after death or whatever, autopsies, that what it revealed when it came to the heart, or what the plaque that's being removed, what it reveals, what toxins are in there, and what you can do about it. He talks about the top 8 supplements that he always has with him. And check out today's conversation to learn more about what you can take to help you diminish some of the clotting that might be in the body and some of the reasons why that clotting is in the body. And so today's an important class. I know the next class, he told me that I'm going to want to take out my root canals for our next class that we do together, but I think I'll wait a little bit longer to read the article. Anyway, all of us, you know, it doesn't do us any good to kick the can down the road. We want to be healthy. And so we need to look at some of the things that we're doing to keep us from that optimal health. As you know, Dr. Thomas Levy, he has 2 courses in at whenyouneedafriend.com. One of them is the for the lay people like you and me, which is the roadmap to health, which is learning how to be symptom and pain-free. And that's one of them. And the other one is the roadmap. Oh, no, that's what I just already said that one. Optimal treatment of disease protocols. That's more for a practitioner who wants to learn more about Dr. Levy's protocols. When you're done with that, you get a certification that you attended the class. And we can't give any CEUs because this is not information that is embraced in the allopathic community. But it is education for you to bring to your clients, your patients, or whoever it is that you are there, that you're helping. I want you to go to whenyouneedafriend.com, check out today's conversation. Actually, you will hear it at whenyouneedafriend.com. You will see it at BitChute and Odyssey. And you can make comments. Let us know if you have any questions for Dr. Levy. He's always very generous with his time to answer your questions. But just know that when you purchase his workshops that we've done together, you get 5 free ebooks: Rapid Virus Recovery, Primal Panacea, Death by Calcium, Magnesium Reversing Diseases, and Hidden Epidemic. Those are all the different books that he has done, that when you purchase this workshops with Dr. Levy, you get these for free in addition to it, watching the video, which is just absolutely phenomenal. How many people, how many doctors have changed their way of looking at things because of Dr. Levy. So there's so many things we don't know. So go to whenyouneedafriend.com, like and follow me on social media, do all the things, share the videos, but only share from BitChute or Odyssey, and take your health back. Take your health back. Learn more about how in 2024, we're going to enter 2024 living our best life ever. And please remember, I'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyouneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah.